Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to join people in Roblox without being their friends. So this tutorial is quite easy and simple. So you just have to open any friends from your friend list and then click their names and then click the join button, the green one, to join your friend and play with your friend. So that's how simple it is. So the other way is to click on your friend's profile, then click on join and click on allow. After a few seconds of configurations, you'll be able to join that person. So later on you will see here that I have joined a friends. There you go. So there are two avatars that you can see here. So the other one is also my other account in Roblox. So that's how simple to join people in Roblox without being their friends. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.